Hi,
Hi ma'am,
what's your name?
my name is Aradhya Dutt.
Very good. Aradhya, let us discuss something about animals. Okay, can you tell me there are how many types of animals?
There are 6 types of animals:
Okay, can you name those types?
terrestrial, aquatic, amphibious, arboreal, aerial, and polar.
Very good. Now, can you explain about terrestrial animals?
Terrestrial animals live in land.
Okay, can you give me some examples?
Lion, tiger, bear, and giraffe.
Very good. Now, can you explain about aquatic animals?
Aquatic animals live in water.
Very good. Now, can you give me some examples for aquatic animals?
Octopus,
Yeah,
dolphin,
Very
water,
good.
seahorse, and starfish.
very good. Now, can you explain about amphibious animals?
Amphibious animals live in land and water both.
Very good. Now, can you give me some examples for amphibious animals?
Crocodile,
Very good.
turtle,
Yeah,
frog.
very good. Now, can you explain about arboreal animals?
Arboreal animals live in trees.
Very good. Can you give me some examples for arboreal animals?
Monkey,
Yeah,
squirrel,
very
and
good.
koala bear.
And koala bear. Okay, so animals those live on trees are arboreal animals. Very good. Now, can you explain about aerial animals?
Aerial animals fly in sky.
Okay, can you give me some examples for that?
Crow,
Yeah,
eagle, and pigeon.
and pigeon. So you can say that aerial animals are birds.
Yes.
Very good. Now, can you explain about polar animals?
Polar animals live in pole.
Live at the poles. Okay. Now, examples for polar animals?
Arctic wolf,
Yeah.
penguins, and polar bear.
Very good. Thank you, Aradhya. You gave very nice answers. Bye.
Bye.